Welcome back to Urbanest Prime Estates, and today I'm going to be showcasing this 3-bedroom plus DSQ apartment that is located in Kilimani. It is ready to occupy and also it can go out for rent. So if you are interested in this apartment, I'm going to leave more details on the description box so that you can feel free to reach me out any day, anytime. So this apartment comes in with a fitted cooker and a microwave and also an oven, and it also comes with a free two-door fridge.